So hello everyone, actually we are solving some practice questions on the soil water relationship. So in this video also I'll solve one more practice question. So let us look into this problem. So as like the other problems, in this problem also we will write what is given in this question and what has been asked in the question and what formula has to be used to get the required parameter. So yeah, first in every problem read the question carefully and write the given data. So what has been asked and what has been given? 1 cubic meter of wet soil weighs 20 kilonewtons. That means what has been given? Volume has been given. Volume has been given. How much? 1 meter cube. 1 meter cube of wet soil. Wet soil means total weight he has given. Total weight he has given. Total weight is equal to 20 kilonewton. 20 kilonewton. Its dry weight is 18 kilonewton. Dry weight means he kept in the oven, and if you keep in the oven, then we will be getting weight of solids. That is nothing but dry weight. Ws is equal to, Ws means weight of solids, is equal to 18 kilonewton. 18 kilonewton. And also he has given, what has given? Specific gravity of solids is equal to 2.67. 2.67. Now what has been asked in the question? Calculate the water content, porosity, void ratio, degree of saturation, and finally draw the three-phase diagram or phase diagram. He has asked us to draw phase diagram after determining all these parameters: water content, porosity, void ratio, and degree of saturation. Now we will solve one by one. Now we'll start with water content. What has been asked? Water content. So water content, what is the formula? Water content is equal to weight of water to the weight of solids. Weight of water to the weight of solids. How we will be getting the weight of water? So total weight he has given and weight of solids he has given. Total weight minus weight of solids is nothing but weight of water. So I am just replacing those things here. 20 kilonewton minus 18 kilonewton. This is the total weight. This one is the weight of solids divided by this weight of solids. This is 18 kilonewton. Okay. So this is nothing but 2 by 18. 2 by 18 is how much? 0.1111. That is nothing but 11.11 percentage. So water content is found out to be 11.11 percentage. 11.11 percentage. Now next one, any one of the parameter, if you calculate the porosity, then void ratio we will be getting. If you calculate the void ratio, then porosity we will be getting. Why? Because we are having the relationship between void ratio and porosity. So for calculating the porosity, what I will do? So we know that E is equal to Z gamma W by gamma D minus 1. Z gamma W by gamma D minus 1. So this is from the formulas, 12 to 13 formulas we have discussed. So from there only I am using this formula also. So void ratio is equal to, we know specific gravity, we can take gamma W value. Now the unknown thing is gamma D he has not given. Gamma D he has not given. We will calculate that one because gamma D is equal to weight of solids to the total volume. That we will calculate anyway. So what has been given? G value has given. How much he has given? 2.67. 2.67 into gamma W. Gamma W, if nothing he has mentioned, then we can take 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube, because here we are considering everything in kilonewton. gamma d is equal to weight of solids to the total volume. Weight of solids he has given 18 kilonewton, total volume will be 1 meter cube. So this is nothing but 18 kilonewton by 1 meter cube. 18 kilonewton by 1 meter cube. So we can calculate E. So 2.67 into 9.81 divided by 18 minus 1. So E is coming out to be 0.455. So we got void ratio. Now we can calculate porosity. So this is C. So porosity is equal to N is equal to E by 1 plus E. N is equal to E by 1 plus E. E value is 0.455 divided by 1 plus 0.455. So 0.455 divided by 1.455. So N is coming out to be 0.3127 or 31.27%. And one more thing he has asked. What he has asked? So degree of saturation also. So degree of saturation, E into S is equal to G into W. E into S is equal to G into W. So actually I'll tell one simple trick to remember this formula. So now I'll write everything in capital letters so that it will be easy. I'll write everything in capital letters. SEHWAG. So think about in cricket, you know Sehwag, right? Sehwag. WG. So in this way you can remember, or else if you can remember without this one also you can, that is up to you. So Sehwag, this is the simple trick to remember this formula, Sehwag. So next, E into S is equal to GS into W. S is equal to, so G is equal to 2.67 into 0.1111 divided by E value we found out to be 0.455. So degree of saturation is equal to 2.67 into 0.1111 divided by 0.455. So 0.6519, that is nothing but 65.19%. So what has been asked in the problem? So they have asked us to calculate the water content, they have asked us to find out the void ratio, they have asked us to find out the porosity and degree of saturation. And after finding out all the parameters, one more thing he has asked. He has asked us to draw the phase diagram. Now we will draw the phase diagram. Okay. According to the problem only we can draw the phase diagram. Okay. So this is nothing but solids. This is nothing but water. This is nothing but air. Solids, air, water. So according to the given data, total weight he has given. Weight of wet soil means total weight he has given. that we can represent here total weight. This total weight is equal to 20 kilonewton. And one more thing is also he has given, what, it's dry weight. Dry weight means weight of solids, that also we can represent. Weight of solid means, I'll represent it one more color. Weight of solids, how much he has given? Weight of solids 18 kilonewton. 18 kilonewton. Now so if you know the total weight and weight of solids, we can calculate the weight of water. Weight of water. So this is nothing but weight of water, that is what, 20 minus 18, 2 kilonewton. 2 kilonewton. So this anyway it will be 0, because the weight of air is negligible, 0. So we have filled the three-phase diagram in the right hand side. What has been there in the left hand side? Total volume. Total volume he has given. So this will be the total volume, 1 meter cube. 1 meter cube. And next, N is equal to volume of voids by total volume. So if you want to know the volume of voids, so this will be nothing but volume of voids. Volume of voids is equal to how much? Volume of voids is equal to this porosity into total volume. This porosity into total volume. Porosity, how much we have calculated? 0.3127. 0.3127. Okay. Into total volume means 1 only. That means volume of voids is equal to 0.3127 meter cube. So we know the volume of voids, that means we have calculated the volume of voids. We know the total volume, so volume of solids will be total volume minus volume of voids. That is what we are going to calculate, 1 minus 0.3127. So this volume of solids will be 0.6873 meter cube. So this is about the problem. See, he has given the total weight of the soil and dry weight of the soil and total volume of the soil and specific gravity of the soil solids. So he asked us to find out the water content, that we have calculated, porosity we have calculated, and void ratio, degree of saturation, and finally we have drawn the three-phase diagram as has been asked in the problem. So we have drawn the three-phase diagram and we have represented all the given data which has been given in the question, and we have found out the unknown things in this three-phase diagram also by using this soil water relationship. So as simple as that. So first thing in every problem, what you have to do is first read the question. First step is to read the question clearly and then write the given data, what has been given in the problem, and then based on the given data, what has been asked, that also we have to write. And the fourth thing is what formula has to be adapted to solve the given question. What formula has to be adapted to solve the given question. In this way only you have to approach a question on soil water relationships. Not only on soil water relationships, in every question we have to tackle. Read the question carefully 1 to 2 times, write down the given data, write down what has been asked in the problem, and identify what formula has to be used to solve this question. So in the next video we'll solve one more practice question on this soil water relationships. I hope this video is clear for you. At any time, if you feel the content is useful, please like my channel and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you.